What's up, everybody? How's it going today? How are we all doing with our beards today? I know mine's still struggling from this dry weather, doing a lot of testing right now. Got a certain brand in mind. I guess if you saw my unboxing, I'm testing out the Bearded Bastard. Testing out the Simply Vanilla. Let me tell you right now, just to give you a sneak peek. The smell is awesome in the oil. I love it. I love the vanilla smell. So I'm really excited to see how it goes after a few days here in my beard. So I kind of just wanted to make this video today. I realized I didn't really do a backstory, and as I'm getting more subscribers and wanting my channel to grow, I kind of want you guys to know about me and what got me started in this journey. So let's talk about that for a little bit. I've always had facial hair since I could grow it, really. As a young man, I've always had some sort of facial hair. I guess whatever was maybe trendy at the time throughout life. But I was always a heavier dude too, so I'll try to simplify it as much as possible and make it a long story short. I was a bigger dude. My dad, I looked a lot like my dad. A lot of families said we were like twins. My dad passed away 10 years ago, and I guess I just got sick of looking like my dad, and I saw him in the mirror a lot, and I decided it was time to change, do something different. So I decided to diet, exercise, lost a lot of weight, and when I did that, I decided that I'm gonna just kind of do facial hair. Let it go. With my job at the time, I could only have a certain length of facial hair, so it was really just a 5 o'clock shadow all the time. I kept it cleaned up, just kept this facial scruff going on, but I rocked that for, I suppose, the last 9 years or so, just kind of facial scruff, and my wife and I got married this last summer, and she kind of said something along the lines of like, you should let your facial hair grow out. I think it's kind of sexy, something like that. So I decided, what the heck, I'm gonna let it grow. Started getting into beard oils and balms. You get rid of that itch, so you start doing research and researching oils, and you start with just what you can buy local. And we live in a pretty small town, so I mean, what we could buy local was not very good stuff, and so you don't necessarily think too much of it until you start doing more research online. You find these reviewers like out here on YouTube, and you start trying out some brands that they talk about, and realize what a good oil is about, what a good balm's about. So I started doing that, getting into those, and as my beard started to get a little bit longer, I didn't necessarily know. It was like, I'm gonna trim it up. You trim it a little bit, and it's like, no, put the scissors down, put the razor down. So now you spend time recovering from those trims that you made, right? So I've kind of had a journey and an experience, but I mean, overall, I've been growing now without trimming, I guess, for about 3 months, right? So I grew it out for probably 2 months, went to get a haircut. For some reason, I said you could do a beard trim, thinking that maybe they would just clean me up a little bit, and they ended up taking length, and I was super disappointed with that. I will never go back there again. But then it's been about 3 months now, and I would kind of just trim my neckline and my cheeks a little bit. I'm not even trimming my neckline anymore. I'm just gonna let the beard cover it and grow and see what happens. So, but I started getting into the oils and the balms a couple months ago. Really good. I started with a beard shelf in my bathroom. I started just piling them up on the sink, and I started getting cluttered. Wife wasn't very happy with that. I don't like a clutter either, so I was like, well, you know what, we gotta get a beard shelf. So I put a beard shelf up, and before you know it, the beard shelf was full. So then I got a second beard shelf, and before you know it, beard shelf 1 and beard shelf 2 are full. And so now I start piling up on a ledge behind me here, and I haven't even used half of the oils and balms that I have yet, because I've acquired so many so fast. And so I like to open them and smell them and put them on, but to be consistent with the same types of ones, I haven't necessarily tried them for weeks at a time. So that's kind of where I come into this is just fun for me. I love getting beard mail. I pay for everything. I love getting new stuff to try out, new companies. I love supporting these local companies. I'm trying to find companies that nobody's heard of, these new startup businesses, these Etsy brands that are hard to get because they make small batches. Like, I want to support these local companies, and I feel like, if I have a platform of YouTube and it's successful and I can help these little companies grow, I feel like that's a calling from God for me, and that I can do that. And I have the ability to do that, so why would I not want to help them out? And in return, I get to try out their awesome beard products. I get to explore them myself. I love finding the new companies, so if I can find them, whether they're reaching out to me because they want a review done, or whether I'm searching around just trying to find them and I want to try their products and I decide to do a review on it. It doesn't matter to me either way. I'm not in this to make money. I'm not in this for anything other than helping grow my channel, helping these smaller businesses grow and get recognized, and to play with beard products. Like, I love the beard products. It's fun for me. I like taking care of my beard. It's the first thing I do in the morning is I get up and I play with my beard and put oil in. It's the last thing I do at night is put some balm or put some oil in my beard. You have a morning routine and night routine in our life. That's the first and last thing we do every day. So it's important and it's fun, and I love doing research and thriving on this. So for me, the videos will get better in time. I'm working on an intro type thing. I'm working on creative with my channel. I am a very good speaker. I'm not passionate about speaking by any means. I've always been afraid of public speaking. But anytime that I've done it, I've always got good reviews. I've been told many times that I'm a good speaker. So I know that I'm a good speaker, and in my line of work, I do a lot of speaking. It's more one-on-one speaking and discovery and motivational type stuff. So getting used to talking to a camera is weird for me. I've never really done it before. I've always been kind of shy of that, but I think you'll see if you go back to my very first video to now, this is like my third video or fourth video, it's starting to get a little bit better. I feel like it is when I'm watching it back anyway. So I think to being able to see my personality and who I am, it's just going to take a few videos. But those of you that subscribe and watch my content, you're going to see it and you're going to reap the rewards of it. My videos are going to get better. I'm going to create my channel based around what you guys want to see and feedback from you. I want to continue doing unboxings. I want to continue doing reviews on how I view things and to help these little companies out. And then I want to get into doing live shows. I'd love to do a live show with some other high-end reviewers out there. We'll get some of us reviewers together and do like a 4 or 5 live show type thing. I think that would be awesome. I want to give away stuff. I'm probably gonna I think when I get to 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. If I don't have a company that approaches me that wants to do a giveaway, I'm just gonna pick something that I haven't opened yet from my own collection. I don't know. I got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna pick something that I haven't opened yet, and I'm just gonna give it away because I want to celebrate being at 100 subscribers, and I'm on the way there quick, and I'm super proud of that. And I've reached out and I got some pointers. Dan C, thank you. I mean, you have given me some pointers through email, and I watch your videos, and you've been nothing but a help, and I really appreciate that. And you're always commenting on my comments, and things like that don't go unnoticed. And you're interactive on Instagram, and I've got a lot of that stuff from you. So a lot of what I'm learning is from watching other reviewers, which is great, and now just making it my own and creative. So the last little thing about me before I end this here is I am a follower of Christ. Faith is very big in my life. So you'll see a lot of that. It's important to me. I like to help where I can help and thank and be grateful for the things that we're blessed with. It could always be worse. So I like to appreciate what we have. The last part of that is, I guess I'll just say is, I am married. My wife is gorgeous. She's amazing. She's in school full-time to become a teacher right now. So she's pretty hectic between working a full-time job and school. We also have a 6-year-old daughter who's in the 1st grade, so life's pretty hectic with that. And then my job, thankfully I can work from home a little bit, but I do travel quite a bit for work, so I stay pretty busy with that as well. So Gonna try to be regular with content, but we do have to kind of fit into that family life and the kiddo. And I do want to get both of them on video sometime. I just want to incorporate them the correct way. But if you go to my Instagram, you'll be able to see a link to my wife's Instagram. Also, there's pictures of me, my wife, and our daughter on there as well. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. It's going to help me be able to discover these smaller businesses, these beard businesses, help them get products onto my channel, and then for everybody to see them. So the more subscribers we get, the better off this channel is going to do. Like this video, subscribe, check out my Instagram as well. But again, guys, we got to thank God for this platform. Thank God for this opportunity. Thank God for our facial hair. To wake up, the sun rises every day and we get an opportunity to do this, and not a lot of people do. So we are super lucky. We got to thank God, number one, for this, and thank you guys for checking out this video and subscribing. Have a wonderful day.